Coastal ride. Beach on the side, river on the other side. Hey yo, what is up? So it is 26th Jan 2021 and it's my official ride for the year. And I'm starting my ride with a 100cc bike. Old bike. See, I mean, it is still racing. Oh, I'm not doing anything, bro. The sound of 100cc bike. So, Prema is here. Another nice lady rider we have. Okay, my friend is also coming. That guy only. RS.
Your friend is there?
Anand. I told him to come to Udyavara. So he came there and I told again to RS red color bike. बोला या
accelerator.
Which?
Accelerator. It goes on itself here. This is light.
This is?
Light. On the light.
Anda? Okay.
Sure, in Panchapila. My bike looks bit heavy. It looks very light.
So we are leaving from CCD Cop. So we have Manjari and Harsha, and as always like Prem bike, and we'll be heading to Cop, and from there we are going to take a small ride Malpe, towards Malpe, and there we will have some breakfast and then some more discussions and we'll leave. So that is the plan right now. Okay. So we are going in then. So Harsha has modified his bike up to some extent. The beach is just 100 meters away, if you can see the beach. This is also called Mattu Beach over here. Flag hoisting has been done in the school actually. Everybody are like, lady is riding a bullet and they are getting astonished. Few things. him on the way, jamming. It's crazy, some of the times, you ride without hands. Fun, happiness, everything should be a part of your ride. And always ride safe. That is one more important thing, you have to remember. And now this is the nearest, on the coastal ride. Very beautiful sea view. Oh, we are turning. So that is the river, and this is the beach, bro. The beach and the river. It's not seen here. I mean, the view is blocked actually. The cruise control, so that is the river. This is the beach. The beauty of Katpadi and Padubidri area.
Control.
Yay! And Harsha was actually, astonished a little how the bike is going automatically. It's like a Tesla bike, And I was putting up a few of the stories the day before yesterday. Due to a little accelerator cable, glitch, which is making it cruise control.
Anyway, this bike is a cute little two-stroke.
Cute little. Right now it is cute little. Maybe after some time.
Sir, that is my granny's house there, inside here middle.
Acha, there. So we have a sponsor for jerry rides and all.
Yeah, you can come. You have to sit. You have to sit. I showed you that day.
Yeah. And
But
he has a boat, it seems.
Yeah. Live video. Live video, if it was not deleted now, it would have been epic.
Yeah, that day, right? I didn't know. You didn't even mention that, to save.
You should save. You're a YouTuber.
No.
You save.
That and all.
Ada Pakkipuram. Pakki ata. In Tulu it is Pakki. English
Yeah.
that this letter. Throw like this camera the Pakki.
Yeah, we'll fly.
You don't give acceleration.
One more big.
Start. Road actually.
Full down. Single kick, full down. With the power. With the power. One thing,
Wait.
choke, decam.
No problem. Wait.
I rode this bike day before yesterday. Experience. Same.
Enjoy and ride. How was the ride?
It is like a peaceful ride.
Yeah, that's why.
Not more bikers are there. We enjoy a little. Shanti.
Sound is good, man.
Yeah.
Oh, actually, I was
moving front, I was having the backfire on here.
okay.
Even me, I got once.
No, that's why keeping distance also.